Hi, my name is Michael. In this session, let's try to learn some basics of Linux. To start with the commands. The basic syntax of our commands will be something like command name and options with the and followed by inputs. Options will be of two formats. Single word or single character. That means if we take this option where goose, it will be goose or and B. Both are one and the same. Now let's see the Linux directory architecture. How the files are actually placed into different folders or directories. Here the root directory is slash, and then we'll have boot, we have etc, we also have bin, we also have where, temp, then home. See, if you boot is nothing but in this directory we'll have all the bootable files for OS to initiate, and here etc will have configuration files. bin will have some executable programs which are ready to be executed. Executable programs. And here where some system output files are placed here. This is just temporary files, and this is the home directory. The login directory. Now let's go to the terminal. Let's go to the root directory, and here let's go and check let's see what are the files here in the root directory. We have different files here. Mainly this grub file is little important to kick off the OS. Then comes configuration file. There are so many configuration files are there. The same way we can also see binary files. Here, if we check what are the directories are there in the root directory, here we have starting with boot, then etc configuration files, home directory we have root directory, system files, user files, and where. The first command which we have to see is the help command. Here we can see all the list of the commands which are available. If you want to go and dig deeper what the particular command is, then we can say help to know about the kill command. We can also check some other command with help. Okay. So this command is not possible to see with help. So we can use info cat. So we have different options which we thought earlier. Now let's see what is the CPU CPU information or CPU details. The following command cat proc CPU info. We get the complete details of our processor. And so how many CPU core it's using, all these kinds of things. And let's see the memory as well. Okay. We'll get the complete memory details, what the buffer they're using, cache and memory, swap, and everything we'll be getting in that. Now let's see how we'll create directories. So for that, let me go to the temporary file so that we can delete later. Make mkdir. This is the command to create that directory. Make directory. Mkdir SAMS. So if we list that, we have the mkdir. We have the directory of SAMS below the my directory. Let's list what is there in SAMS directory. So there is nothing. Let's change the directory to SAMS, and let's create one file, touch1. And to be specific about files, there is no importance of extensions like .txt, .php, .html. These extensions does not have any weightage here in Linux. Both 1 or 1.txt, everything was treated same. Let's say we have the file 1. Now let's edit that. We have displayed what we are wrote in the file 1. Let's see how to delete the directory. RM is the one to delete the directory, RM SAMS, but saying it's a directory, so we cannot move. So sorry, let's come out of it, and now we'll have to remove SAMS. It says we cannot remove that, it's a directory. So we have to have this option with force, and that's it. But also we cannot delete them because there are some files within the directory. So we have to give an option recursive. Now it's deleted. So if you list it, we do not have any SAMS directory here. Okay, let's do one more time SAMS, and how to rename SAMS to SAMS1. Rename here, there is no command like rename or something like that. We have to move this file like SAMS to SAMS1, and if we list it here, we do not have SAMS folder anymore. It's just nothing but it's a renaming. So I'll stop here and continue in the next part. Thank you. Keep watching.